To perform 90-90 hip internal rotation, we'll start off by focusing on the back leg. We're going to put that leg in a straight line, making a 90-degree angle with our knee. And if we can tolerate it, we can also bring our front leg into a 90-90 position. Since the focus is going to be on the back side, I'm going to use my same side hand and I'm going to reach over and try to find the floor. From here, if I don't feel a big stretch, I'm going to allow my right hip to fall down to the floor, winding up into a bigger stretch as I rotate more and more and more. The idea here is to find a comfortable but deep stretch, as much as you can tolerate, and we're going to hold working up to a 1 to 2 minute duration in this position. During that time, we should be able to control our breathing and maintain that consistent feeling around the hip. Most of the time, we should feel a band going straight across, but some people might feel it a little bit more in the groin and maybe even a little bit more in the hamstring. After our 1 to 2 minute stretch, we're going to incorporate isometrics. For this, I'm going to focus on my back foot. I'm going to start by pushing my foot into the floor, gradually at first, and then ramping up more effort, more effort, more effort, imagining like there's a scale underneath my foot that's going to continue to register more and more and more weight. Here I'll hold that position with as much effort as possible for about 10 to 15 seconds. And then I'm going to try to reverse that position by trying to lift my foot up. So as I try to lift my foot up, you'll notice a lot of effort on the side of the hip. You may even notice your foot or lateral leg muscles trying to help you lift it off, but since we're already round up, we're not going to see any motion occur at the limb. So we have an isometric pushing down and an isometric pushing up. Both, for starters, a good duration would be about 10 to 15 seconds.